S135 Pro Drone. Capture stunning 8K aerials with intelligent flight features. The S135 Pro Drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for capturing breathtaking 8K aerial photography and smooth, cinematic video. Equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, dual 8K cameras, omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, the S135 Pro empowers you to capture stunning footage with ease and precision. Key features: 8K HD dual camera, capture stunning, high-resolution 8K photos, 7680 by 4320p, and 1080p videos with the dual camera system. Enjoy the flexibility of remotely switching between camera angles to achieve diverse perspectives. 3-axis gimbal stabilization. The advanced 3-axis gimbal effectively eliminates camera shake and vibration, ensuring smooth, stable footage for professional quality results. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence thanks to the drone's omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. It automatically detects and avoids surrounding obstacles, minimizing the risk of collisions. GPS Intelligent Return. The S135 Pro offers multiple intelligent return-to-home functions, including low-power return, over-distance return, and out-of-control return. This ensures your drone returns safely in unexpected situations. Powerful brushless motors. The efficient and powerful brushless motor system provides stable flight performance and supports flight over water. 5G image transmission. Experience smooth, real-time image transmission with 5G technology, allowing you to monitor your flight and capture the perfect shot from up to 5,000 meters away. Modular battery system. The high-capacity 3000 mAh modular battery provides extended flight times, 25 to 28 minutes, and is easy to replace, allowing for longer shooting sessions. Optical flow hovering. Maintain a stable hover both indoors and outdoors with optical flow positioning, ensuring steady footage and precise control. Specifications: motor, brushless motor. Model, S135 Pro. Material, ABS plastic and electronic components. Unfolded size, 32 by 32 by 10 centimeters. Folded size, 7 by 18 by 9 centimeters. Color, black, gray. Channels, 4. Gyroscope, 6-axis. Maximum flight time, 25 to 28 minutes. Operating frequency, 5 GHz. Age, 14+. Battery, 7.4V 3000 mAh modular battery. Charging time, approx 2 hours. RC battery, built-in rechargeable battery. Photo resolution, 7680 by 4320p. Video resolution, 1920 by 1080p. Package size, 30 by 22 by 10 centimeters. Bare weight, 243 grams. Package includes 1 aircraft, 1 remote control transmitter, 1 body battery, 1 pair of spare fan blades, 1 USB cable, 1 screwdriver, 2 manuals, 2 built-in HD cameras, 1 radar obstacle avoidance module. Overall, the S135 Pro Drone is an excellent choice for both photography enthusiasts and professional users seeking a high-performance drone. Its 8K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal, intelligent flight features, and robust construction ensure you can capture stunning aerial footage with precision, stability, and safety.